So in this problem, we're going to have a percentage that we're going to reduce the price by. We'll read the problem in a minute. But also you could have an increase, like a markup, you could increase the cost of something. But this is a reduction in this problem. Okay. Your favorite electronics retailer is having a terrific sale on noise-canceling wireless headphones. After a 40% price reduction, you purchase headphones for $192. What was the price of the headphones before the reduction? So what we want to know is the original price. Now, when you're doing a sales reduction or a sales markup, the percentage is always based on the original price. Okay, so let's call the original price X. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have the original price, and then we're going to subtract 40%. We're getting 40% off, right? After a 40% reduction. 40% of that original price. That's going to give us the sales price, which is $192. This is the sale price. $192. Okay, so you can think about that a little bit. You have something that costs, I don't know, $250 or whatever, and then we're going to get 40% off, and we paid our sale price. We only paid $192. And so we're trying to figure out what was the original price. Okay. Now, it's not really an equation because I've got some words and stuff, but how do we take 40% of something? Well, it's X minus, you have to change that to a percent, or a decimal, sorry, 0.40 times X. Okay? Now, you might be thinking, well, aren't I paying 60%? If I take 40% off, I'm paying 60%. That is true. You could do it that way as well. Okay, so I'm just trying to explain it. Okay, because we have a decimal, I'm going to multiply by 100 to get rid of that decimal. So that's going to give me 100x minus 40x. So I'm just distributing here. And then 100 over here. You got to multiply both sides, don't forget, or you're going to get a crazy answer. So we get 19,200. Okay. And now, remember what I was talking about a minute ago, about 60%, is what you're paying? So 100x minus 40x is 60x. All right. And so we're just going to divide by 60. And then we should have a reasonable price. Now, we're getting like almost half off, but we paid 192. So think about what that means. Like, what kind of answer would be reasonable? Well, we're about to find out. So I'm going to get X equals, and I have my calculator out, I just go 19200 divided by 60. And what do I get? 320. Now, does that seem reasonable? It was on sale, 40% off, and I paid $192. So does it make sense to have the original price be $320? I think it does. Now you could calculate that out and check it, double check. But like if I came out with like $3,000, that wouldn't seem reasonable. Or if I came out with $3.20, that wouldn't be reasonable. So that's what I'm talking about when we're checking our answer. Does it seem like it's in the ballpark? So yeah, I mean, we didn't get 50% off, but if we did, that'd be what, 160? So 192, yeah, we're in there. Okay, but that is the answer, $320.